right?
Yes,
Okay,
thank you.
you're welcome. So before that, I just have a few questions. Would that be okay?
Yep.
All right, perfect. Yeah, so it looks like you're in, let me check. So you're mm-hmm, doesn't show up here. Yeah, so can you tell me more about your industry here? Are you in real estate
No,
or
I use it for nonprofits,
oh, for a
like for
non-profit?
charities. Yeah, not
Okay,
real
for
estate.
charity. I see.
Yeah,
Actually, we do have a
yeah.
lot of people in non-profit organization who's using DAB. So yeah, I'll just give you some information here. Okay. And
Perfect. Thank
also,
you.
you're welcome. And also, do you use Gmail, Outlook, or do you have any kind of CRM?
Outlook.
Okay, Outlook. And aside from that, do you have any CRM aside from Outlook, or you'll be using Outlook?
Go high level.
Okay, great. We do have an integration with both for high level, for
Mhm.
GHL, and also for Outlook. Okay.
Okay.
And also, can you tell me like what does your current marketing or your sales strategy look like?
It's non-existent. There isn't one. I'm going to switch
Mm,
to the computer.
okay. And also, do you have any specific audience here, or this is more in general?
You know what? I have to keep both because I can't hear you. Can you
Okay,
hear me?
sure,
Okay. All right.
sure.
Okay.
Okay, can you hear me better now? I have
Yeah,
unmuted.
I'm good now.
Okay.
Perfect.
All right. Yeah. So again, what does your current marketing or your sales strategy look like?
Just word of mouth, but I know that videos are a great idea.
Mm-hmm. I see. Okay. And also, let me just check here. What about your social media? Like, what does your social media or your content creation look like?
Non-existent, Rena.
Okay.
Like treat me like I'm from starting from scratch.
Uh-huh. I see. Okay. Well, anyway, yeah, let me just show you some information here. And again, if you have questions, you can stop me. Okay. So,
Hmm.
by the way, before I start, just a very quick background. Dab is actually a video communication platform. This means to say that we give you here the ability to create, customize, send, and also track videos all in one place. Okay. So first is I'm going to show you here how to create videos. So that provides a few convenient tools to make video creation very easily to our user. So the first one, which I'm going to discuss, will be through our Dub website. So when you log into your Dub account, you'll be able to see your dashboard here. Okay. And then from your dashboard, you'll see record or upload a video camera icon. So once you click that, you can also use a virtual background if you want. And also at the very top, you see there's a box here wherein you can create your own script. Okay, so you can have the title, you can write down your script, and then just click save and then close. And once you have your script created, for example, when you record or upload a video, you'll see here, let's say for example, this one. And when you start recording, click the red circle, and then the script that you have here will just autoplay, just like that. And also you can adjust the speed, you can pause, you can also back to the top, or you can also adjust the size of your text. And once done, just click the check mark here to upload your video, X is cancel or delete, and then again, you can pause. So that's the first one, the tab website with a built-in teleprompter. And also the good thing here, let's say for example, you run out of ideas, you go back here to your dashboard, you'll see AI Assistant. This one is powered by Ira. So let's say, for example, you want to write a script for a video ad about, let's say, non-profit. And then select how many words. And then when you submit here, this AI will compose a script for you, just like this. So you can copy this, paste it to your social media accounts for maybe for social media posting, or maybe you want to use it for email template, or maybe you want to use this for script, okay, to use it as a teleprompter. Or also you can use this for voice AI, so purely voice, no video, just yourself here in the picture. You can also select a voice, and you can also use this as the avatar. Okay, so when you use it as the avatar, you can have here, you have a lot of options to select for the avatar. You can also create your own avatar like yourself. And then again, you have the title, you can select the voice, the script, and then when you create a video, this avatar here moves like it's reading your script. Okay? So that's the DAB website. Also, other than that, there are some elements as well. Let's say you have videos from YouTube that you want to upload to DAB. The good thing here, there will be no advertisement, so your viewers can watch the entire video without interruption. Or you can also upload any videos saved from your computer. Okay, so yeah, that's the DAB website. Any questions so far before I proceed on the next one?
I have a question about
Mm-hmm.
um, if you, I know it's also, there's an echo, and I think that's my fault. Um, if I'm using my phone and the app and I
Mm-hmm.
record a video there, will it
Mm-hmm.
also show up on the web?
What kind of microphone? Like,
Uh, no. If I'm just recording a video from my phone,
oh,
will
your
it show up
phone.
on the web when I log in?
Yes. Whatever you
Okay.
record through your phone or through your website, you just still have the same videos here. So the
Okay.
videos are saved in your iCloud.
And what is the max length of video?
Um, as long as it doesn't reach 1 gigabyte per video, that's the maximum limit. But the videos are unlimited. You can create
Okay.
or yeah, you can create or record unlimited videos here. But I don't
When I
think
recorded from my phone,
uh-huh.
I think it only gave me 1 minute.
Oh, because you're doing it through your phone. Yeah.
Okay, so maximum 1 minute on the phone, but unlimited if I do it on the web.
Yes.
Okay.
But though in the phone, I think the limit is 10 minutes. You just have to cut it like 1 minute and then add another clip and then another 1 minute. You just need to add more clips there.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay. And then yeah, that's the website. Any question before I proceed on the next one?
No, thank you.
You're welcome. So anyway, we also have here another option for you to record or create videos will be through the DAB Chrome extension. Have you installed this one? The Chrome? This one
Yes, I
here?
have.
Okay, perfect. Well, the Chrome here allows you to record your screen plus your webcam. This way, you can show anything like visually to your clients. Okay. Let's say, for example, you're reaching out someone you know in LinkedIn, or maybe you want to go to their website, for example. So, what you can do here, you click the Chrome, this one. Either you wanted to use the full screen, meaning to say you can switch from different tabs, like from this tab to different tab, or you can only use this tab only, or you can just use the camera alone. Okay, just like that. So if you do full screen, you click here, click start recording, and then you're now sharing the full screen. Okay, so you can say, let's say for example, I'm gonna move my webcam here. By the way, the webcam can be adjustable. You can also change the shape if you want. And also you have your annotation tool here wherein you can highlight specific information from the screen itself. Okay, so you can see here you can use line, circle, arrow. You can also use text on the screen, or maybe you want to use numbering. So say this is 1, 2, 3, or you want to also blur out something important. You may also want to draw. You can change the color, adjust the thickness, undo, and then redo. The good thing here, if you scroll down, it sticks on the page where you point it. Okay, so that's a good thing here. And also, you can switch to the full screen to highlight yourself. You can also turn off your annotation tool, or maybe you want to use the teleprompter. And then X again is to cancel the recording. Let's say you're not satisfied with it, or maybe you want to pause. And if you're ready, just click the check mark here to upload your video. Okay, that's the Dab Chrome extension. Any question? Is it
No
just
questions.
okay? Great. We also have another way for you here to record or upload, which is the Dab desktop app, this one. Okay. Have you installed the desktop app version as well?
Yes, yes, I have.
Okay, perfect. So anyway, let me just show you a quick presentation here. I mean a quick demo how you can use the desktop app version. Okay. So the good thing about using the desktop app, it's more advanced. It has a lot of functionality than the other app here. So in your desktop app, you can open your dashboard from here. If you do PowerPoint presentation, Google Slide, or maybe you want to create a video, let's say a video from YouTube that you want to play, or let's say you want to do PDF file presentation, then use the desktop app version for those. Okay. And also you can still have use the AI here. We also have here the basic editing like cutting.
Sorry, Rena, can
Yeah.
you repeat what you just said? If I was doing a presentation,
Yeah. Like
PowerPoint, what did you
PowerPoint,
say?
PDF file, Google Slide, or you wanna, let's say you wanna go to YouTube and then play a video from there. You then use the desktop app for that.
Okay.
Okay. And again, we have the basic editing like cutting, trimming, or adding multiple clips. And we also have here videos from YouTube that you can import again. And we have here the new feature added, which is a narrator video. By the way, narrator video is like an overlay video to a video. Let's say, for example, you recorded a video, let's say a perfect video, you save it into your library, and then what you can do here is that you can use that video anytime you want. Let's say, for example, this video here or this clip. Let's say you want to overlay this clip to a certain video, let's say this one, and then when you start recording, this clip here will just autoplay. Okay, then you can just scroll down, or maybe you want to use the annotation tool to point out, and you can also pause, and when you're ready to upload, just click the check mark here, and then you now have the first video. Okay, you can either upload it, or maybe you want to add another clip. Let's say you want to do another screen recording or another webcam recording, or maybe you want to use another narrator video. Okay, so that's the dub desktop up here. You can also cut or trim. You can also use the closed captions, like whenever you speak, there are captions below the video. You can also edit that one. Let's say there are misspelled letters or words, for example. And the last part is either you want to download it or upload the video to your drive. I mean to your Dab account. So that's the Dab desktop app. Any questions so far?
No question.
Okay, let me show you also an example of the Dab mobile app. I'm gonna send you here the Dab mobile app tutorial. I'll put the link in the Zoom chat so that you can also watch it on your own time. But here's an example how other users use their mobile phone. Okay. For example, you're reaching out someone and then you want that person's attention. You can just grab their phone. I mean, you can just grab your phone and then put a name. So this is just an example. Here is like a preview of the video. Okay.
And then when I start the video that I made here, I go, "Hey, Julie, this is Rob. Just want to make this quick video for you," and then do that personal invite, and then the next video would play after that. But the animated GIF, they're going to see their name, you smiling, and you can always start a video like that. So that's a way to personalize it if you want to do it that way.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And just like that. Okay.
Okay.
Also, let me give you some other previews also that you can use. For example, if you want to reach out someone, here's an example. So either you want to take a screenshot of their maybe their profile picture and then use it as a virtual background, just like this. Mm-hmm. And here's another example. You can either go to their website and then use the screen recording option. Okay. So yeah, those are all the ways you can use those previews. So any question before I proceed on the editing and customization?
No questions there.
All right, perfect. So yeah, anyway, okay, let's go now to the second part, which is a editing and customization. So every time you record a video to Dub, all the videos will be saved here in your video library. Okay. And then what you can do is, let's say for example, let me show you an example of the landing page. Okay. So for example, this one. So when you click here, this is a preview of your landing page. This one is already customized, as you can see. Okay, you can see here the background has been changed. I have here the sales assistant or the chatbot, and then you have here the full video tutorial. I mean the full video, and then you have here the training videos or maybe some videos that you want to add here after the first one. That's the playlist, and you have here the video description, and then here are the calls to actions button. So these buttons here can say and do anything you want someone to do. Okay. So in order for you to have this kind or yeah, to have this kind of landing page, what you can do here, every time you recorded a video, you may either go to your assets. If you want to create a sales assistant, you can create your sales assistant from here, depending on how you segment them, for example. Let's say, for example, for who are your first target again? Do you have any targets at the moment?
Um, no.
Okay. So let's say, for example, for general. So you can create general questions or information here. And also, next to that is your calls to actions button. So these buttons here can say and do anything you want someone to do. So basically, these are your goals. Okay. If you want to create one, just click create new CTA there, the blue plus sign, and then if you want to go to type, you will see here all the list of the CTA buttons that you want to do. Let's say we do have the calendar, we have the chat, we have document that you want to attach. You can also do the email wherein they can email you directly. We also have the form. Let's say you want to create like a customized form, or if you have an external form, you put the title, the link to that form. We also have display message. We do have here PayPal if you want to create PayPal account, and also phone number for call and texting. We have the product link. We have the website link. We also have here the video reply. For example, you want to ask for case studies or maybe testimonials or maybe reviews. They can reply to you with a video of themselves without installing tab. And also we do have your embed web page, and the last one will be through the webinar with these three providers. Okay. And for the button text, either you want to customize it or just choose whatever we have your from our system. And then just click save and then close. So once you have your calls to action set up, the next step is you want to go to your preset. So by the way, your preset here are your customized landing page. This is where you segment your audience. Let's say, for example, you want to create a preset for, let's say, maybe general preset. So you just name it here. Okay. Let's say general, so meaning to say it goes to everyone. And then you have here the video description. And then what are the calls to actions you want them to do? Say, let's say you want them to call and text you, book a time with you, email, or maybe you want them to sign up a form, and so on and so forth. You can add more. Okay. And also, if you created a SIA, you can find it here. And also, if you want to add playlist videos, you just need to look for that video that you already recorded. And also some video options, very easy. You just need to enable or disable the following features here. And also for the color, let's say you have a brand color just like us. If you know the hex code, it's much easier. You just need to copy and then paste a hex code here. So if you want to customize the player color down to the header. Also for the background, you can search for a certain theme. Let's say, for example, let's say non-profit. Okay, we do have few backgrounds available here, just like this. You can also load more, or maybe you can upload your own image. Just make sure the size is 1280 by 720. Okay. And also for the layout, let's say this one. For the layout, you want to use the centered or the left justified, but I would suggest just use the centered because some viewers watch the video through their phone, so it's good that it's already in centered. Okay. And also, you can see here all the presets you created. Okay. So you can also set it as default, for example. Meaning to say, each time you create a video, that's the default setting that will auto apply to your video so that you don't need to change it every single time. Okay, let's now go ahead to your videos. For example, this video right here. Did you see this one here? My booking calendar is being applied. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
let's say
Mm-hmm.
because
Yeah, I
that
can
is,
see it. Mhm.
yeah, because that was set as default. Let's say, for example, this video goes to general preset, let's say nonprofit, for example. So you just need to change that. And also make sure that every time you recorded a video, either you want to change the title here or into your details or into the preset, you can disable video title so that you don't need to create the title every single time you recorded a video. Okay. Now let's see how it looks like. Click this preview again. Then you will see the difference here. This one is my booking calendar preset, and then this one is your or let's say my generic preset. Okay. You can see here the difference. So let's say the color, the design, the um the playlist videos, and then your calls to actions button. So here is an example of the customized form. Okay. So they can fill out the form and then submit it. Okay. So yeah, that's it.
Okay, Rena, so you're saying every time you create a video, you can change the default landing
Uh-huh.
page.
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Okay.
That's yeah, that's an optional if you wanna, let's say you have different segments to your client. Let's say you're creating a video to this client, or you wanna create that preset for that video, then you can create different presets here that you wanna apply. Okay? Are we on the same page?
Yeah, we are.
Yeah. But you can still create like a generic preset that goes to everyone. Let's say you're booking calendar preset and then set it as default. So that, when you create a video, that's a default setting that will automatically apply. You don't need to change it every single time.
Okay, so I've noticed that
Uh-huh.
can, so you see lower down it says design. I've
Yeah?
noticed you can design in two places. So you can change the background and the
No.
call that.
Here, if you change the if you go, let's say you want to go edit the video directly from that video, under design, you can only change the thumbnail. You cannot change the background. You need to go to your preset
Okay,
to
sorry,
change
it's
it.
not design, then it's details.
Yeah. If you go to the details, you cannot change the background as well. You can see it here. Yeah. There's no way for you to change the background.
So if I go to design, that's where I change
some
the
information like
presets.
like
Okay.
the description, the calls to action, sales assistant, playlist, and then some video options here. And then if you want to go to the editing, that's the cutting and trimming part. And then if you go to design, that's changing the thumbnail. So if you want to change the background, you need to go directly to the assets and then go to the presets. And then you need to change it from here,
Okay, but
the
here
background.
you can also change your call to action, right?
Yeah, yeah, you can.
So
Definitely.
is it the same? Is this the same as the details page that we just saw?
No, it's different. In the
Because I'm finding I
details,
have to do it twice.
no, I would suggest that's why if you really want to change, like update some details there, go directly to the preset.
Okay.
Do not go to the individual video because it's not, let's say here in under details, just the very basic detail of the video. Then the
Okay.
basic editing, the basic design like the thumbnail, and if you wanna, change some details or um let's say the background, then go directly to the assets and then go to the presets. That's much easier
Okay.
than going through
Assets,
each video
presets.
here.
Okay.
Okay.
Assets and then presets.
Yeah, on the left side,
Okay.
on your left. Okay. So
Mhm.
yeah, any question before I proceed on the last part, which is the um sending part?
No, no question.
All right, you mentioned that you're using Outlook, correct?
Hmm.
Okay, so I don't have Outlook account, but it's just similar to Gmail. Okay, so we do have an
Hmm.
integration with Outlook. However, in Outlook, you still need to get add-ins. If you're familiar with your Outlook account, you will see there get add-ins, and then you will just look for DUBB, and then just add dub there. But
Okay.
here's an example. Okay, so if you're doing, let's say, one-on-one through Outlook or Gmail, for example, would recommend putting the word video in the subject line. That is to gather 80 to 90% engagement rate. And then here you have the the subject line. And then here you can say whatever you wanted to say, maybe 2 to 3 sentences. And then, did you see the dub icon at the bottom part?
Yeah.
When you click that, it goes here. Either you want to record a whole new video or maybe just insert the video that you just recorded. Let's say, for example, this one. You can click advanced option. Very important to put the email address of the person for tracking. And also, you can put a personalized text just like this. And then when you insert a video, this is what it look like. Okay? Either above or below your body of your email. And then when you send it, that person receives your email just like this. Okay. And then when
Hmm.
they click the video, it goes to your landing page wherein they can watch the entire video or maybe click any of your calls to actions button here or watch your playlist video. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So, by the way, you're also using the GHL, right?
Yes.
Okay, we also have an integration with GHL. So inside GHL, you will see the dab icon as well. Okay.
Okay.
Always make sure you have the dab Chrome extension. That's the way for you to have an easy access to your video.
Okay.
Okay. So did you just subscribe or?
Yeah, I did. I
Oh,
have one more question. Um, the
okay.
details page. Can you go back to the landing page?
Yeah,
Actually,
sure.
can I share my screen?
Yeah,
When,
sure.
yeah, 1 second. Let me see if I can. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, can see it.
I noticed that when I um, video. When my landing page, you know, there's like an exit. When you exit, there's a pop-up window. There's
Mm-hmm.
like the Dub logo and there's like call to actions.
Mm-hmm.
There I wanted to replace the Dub logo and now I just have a big space. How do I get there?
Big
Do you know the area
space.
that I'm talking about? When your video is finished playing,
Uh-huh.
a pop-up window pops up.
Oh, that's the
It's like an exit
yeah.
intent type of thing.
Yeah, that
I
one.
don't know how
Why?
to activate it from here.
Uh-huh. You wanna enable or disable that?
I want to right now. I want to replace the Dub logo, but I just have
Okay.
a big white space.
Big white space where I
Yeah.
can't see it.
Okay. Let me see here.
Okay, because there's no logo that was um uploaded. Can we upload one first so that it show up the logo here?
Sure. One second.
Okay. Can I
What
request
have
for
I?
control?
Yep, you've requested. What do I need to? Can you see my screen now?
Yeah. Can I request for control?
You did request, and I've approved it. It's
Yeah, I
asking.
can't click anything. Is this a Mac?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a thing in Mac. You need to go to system and privacy. You need
So,
to
can you see my screen right now?
Yeah, I can see
Do
your
you see this
screen.
white space? So you see what I'm talking about here,
Yeah, that's the thing here. This one should have your what do you call that?
like
Your
my
logo
logo in
there.
there.
Yeah. So I can't click anything because of the system settings that we need to set up in Mac. Um, can you go to your Dab account? Are you using the Google Chrome?
No, I'm not using
Okay,
Chrome
I
right now.
can you go to your Google Chrome instead? Dab works perfectly in Google Chrome.
Are you still there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. My computer just went dark. It says that I'm started sharing my screen, but nothing's happening on my
Yeah.
computer. Oh, my
Okay.
computer, I don't know if it died or just went dark. Can you take sharing back from me?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Sometimes my computer acts up. Now is not a time for it to act up.
Mm.
Okay, so I think you saw the screen that I was pointing to. Can you show me on the details tab where you changed the logo for that pop-up at the end?
Actually, I cannot see anything right now. Can you share a screen?
No, I can't share my screen because my computer, I think it's just rebooting. Can you share your screen
Okay.
and go back? Yeah, okay, thanks. Okay, so I'm on my phone here. So if you go back to, uh, I guess any of the videos or presets and you look at your editing tab,
Mm.
or no, not editing, I mean details.
Okay. Do you want to go directly to the video itself or you want to go to your assets?
Um, okay. Oh, are you in my account now?
Yeah, I'm in your account.
Oh, okay, perfect. The video is fine. No,
Okay.
actually, let's go to the assets. Let's go to the assets. Maybe that's better.
Okay, so let's go to your assets, presets, and let's say this one is your default Caribana. And
Yeah.
then if you scroll down here, you'll see add exit intent modal. Okay. And
Yes.
then let me just check your count first. Okay, so there's no video. I mean, there's no what do you call that? Your logo there. So we need to create or we need to upload one. Okay, so it's still blank.
Okay, but how do you know? How can you just because you saw it or you see that there's no
It,
video uploaded? How
yeah,
do you, or logo? Where do you see that?
there's no logo
Oh, up in the
uploaded.
corner.
Yeah.
Ah,
So your logo
up
here
there.
will be displayed here on the
I see.
upper left corner.
Okay.
Okay. So that's why
Yeah.
when in your add exit intent modal, there's a like a white there because there's no logo
Yeah.
created. I mean
Okay,
uploaded.
I see. I
Okay.
see.
So you
Okay.
must need
So
to have your logo first. Again, click your profile, go to your team, and then select new logo.
okay, that makes sense. Okay, so then my
Okay.
next question, if
Mm-hmm.
I work with two nonprofits, like two different organizations,
Uh-huh.
I have to change every time I create, let's say Caravana is one and ABC is another.
Uh-huh.
Every time I create a preset or video, I have to upload a, a different logo. Is that right?
Yes. Do you have two businesses? Is that what you meant?
Yeah, two businesses. Yeah,
Yeah, you need to upload every single time because yeah, you must know that
got it.
one business account in Dub is only eligible for one business.
Oh,
So
okay. All right.
you cannot have
So if I
two.
had five businesses, I would need five dub accounts.
Yes,
I
because
see.
each
Okay.
account must be on a paid version or you must have
Okay,
one,
I see.
yeah. One account,
Okay.
one I mean how do you explain it? Like one business account for one dub account only. You cannot have two businesses here. The reason why because of the branding as well. So let's say for example in your video here, this one,
Hmm.
if you click the preview of your landing page, at the bottom part, oh, you did not. So if you go to your settings, for example, let's say if you go to your social media accounts, you set up your social media, and then when you go to your customization, you want to display your social links, business phone, web address, display name, title, then your profile image, for example. This video page preview here will be shown in each video.
Got it. Okay. All the
Okay.
time.
That, yeah,
Right.
all the
Okay.
time. That's why in your video, for example, this one here. So if you click
Hmm.
at the bottom, you will see the branding here.
I see.
Okay. So,
Okay, I get it.
mhm. So every single
Um,
time, if you have different businesses, then you need to change. You go to your settings, you go to your customization, and then you will see here. So it's up to if you wanna disable the display or you wanna go to your profile and then change everything here, like the business phone, web address, title, then so on and so forth. Then also you
okay.
have your yeah.
Is there a okay, this was helpful. This answered a lot of my questions. Thank you. Is
Mhm.
there a, I guess, a discount if you have more than one account? So
Yeah.
again, let's say I had
Yeah.
five different businesses and I need five different accounts. What's this pricing?
For the pricing for that, I'm gonna check with Darius first because Darius only gives the pricing or discount for each user. But usually normally for maybe five users, usually maybe 20% off or 25% off. Yeah, I'll just check with Darius, but I'll give you maybe at the end of the day the pricing plan for five user.
Okay.
Okay, and also the good thing here, if you will be using five user, Darius, our co-founder, will be the one who will manage your account. So okay.
Okay, I see. Um, okay, Rena, this was very helpful. Thank you for your time.
Okay.
You helped me with the exit intent and with the presets, and I think I'm okay.
Okay, perfect. Well, just let us know if you have questions, okay?
Okay, I will. Thanks a lot.
All right, you're welcome. Have a nice day.
Have a good day. Okay, you too. Bye
Do
bye.
you still need this recording?